Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I've got something really exciting for all you Tesla enthusiasts out there today. We're going to be unboxing and reviewing a product that could really be a game changer for your EV charging experience. The Tesla EV Charging Extension Cable from EVDANCE. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where your standard cable is just a little bit too short or need that extra reach in tricky situations, this might be exactly what you're looking for. Let's go get into it. All right, let's jump straight into the unboxing. The packaging itself is very clean. It's presented professionally, very nice, and it kind of reflects the quality you'd expect from a high quality Tesla charging product like this cable from EVDANCE. Let's get into it and see what it comes with. So unboxing the package, first thing you notice, it comes with a really durable and high quality carrying case. Nice handles on the top, really nice. Has the EVDANCE logo on the front and the back, and just a great, really nice carrying case. First impressions, this is nice and heavy. This is going to be a really high quality product. I think you can tell right away from just the heft of how much it weighs. Inside, we're going to find the 21-foot extension cable neatly coiled and a robust carrying case, which is super nice. Let's take this out. You also get a detailed user manual, which is great for how to actually use the cord and how it kind of plugs in and can help you charge. The cable is made from a really high quality TPE material, which is very flexible but durable, and I think it's actually going to be really nice. Let's keep going with the unboxing. It's really presented really professionally. It's durable. The connectors just feel really solid right off the bat. Oh, you get a nice kind of cover here for this end, which is great. Help keep it kind of nice and protected. And this is how it kind of locks in. My understanding, yeah, there's a little lock feature right on here where you can lock it in and open it so it locks your charging cable together. Super nice. So we got the cable all unwrapped, and right off the bat, you can tell that this cable is a great product. I think it feels very durable, very actually flexible for a cable of this length and this heft of wire, which we'll get into in a little bit. The connectors are solid. They have a really satisfying kind of heft and feel to them, a really nice plastic, but very durable. It's a product that's really going to be built to last. The length of this cable at 21 feet is also one of its great standout physical features, giving you plenty of extra reach. So now that we have the extension cable unboxed and out of all of its packaging, I want to take a closer look at some of its features and what makes this extension cable really stand out. First off, this cable supports up to 50 amp charging at 240 volts, which means it can deliver up to 12 kilowatts of power straight to your Tesla. This is great for our level 2 chargers at home, whether you have the Tesla mobile adapter or a wall connector. This thing would be really great for either of those. Fast charging with your Tesla is kind of a big deal. It really is a 10-time increase over the amount of power you get from your 110 outlet standard, so it really cuts down on that waiting time. Safety is really another key aspect that I kind of want to cover a little bit here. The cable comes with comprehensive safety features, including it being waterproof, fireproof, and it has overload protection. Another great feature it has is IP66 rated, which means it's built to withstand harsh outdoor conditions. You're good in the rain, you're good in the snow. It's all good in those things. This gives you peace of mind knowing that your charging setup is really safe and reliable. So no matter where you are, it's going to work for you. Installation is really, really easy too. I'm going to demonstrate that here in a little bit. You just plug one end to your Tesla and the other end into your existing charging station, whether you have that mobile connector, the wall adapter that comes from Tesla. If you have some other kind of charging setup, a charge point system, something like that in your garage, this thing would work for it. Just keep in mind, this extension cable isn't compatible with Tesla superchargers. So you can't go to a supercharger and expect to charge down the street there if there's some other Ford Mustang Mach-E plugged in, taking up 2 spaces, and you want that little extra reach at the supercharger. You're not going to be able to do it with this charger. This is best for those level 2 chargers at home. So how does the cable perform in real world use? I've been putting it to the test in a few different charging scenarios, and I'm really excited to show you some of the results. First, let's start with the basic setup. I'm using my Tesla mobile adapter plugged into a standard 110 volt outlet in my garage. I'll demonstrate the charging screen of the extension cable first. As you can see, the charging cable is steady, but limited by the 110 volt power supply. Now, when I add the EVDANCE extension cable, the charging screen shows minimal impact on the charging rate. The extension cable handles the load without any significant drop in performance, which is great for those times when you need that extra reach, but don't want to compromise on charging speed. Now let's step it up a notch and plug into a 240 volt, 50 amp outlet, which is where you really get the benefit of faster charging. Again, I'll show you the charging screen without the extension cable first, and you can see the higher amperage and faster charging rate, which is ideal for overnight charging or when you need a quick top up. Now, when I add the extension cable, the charging screen still shows robust performance with very little impact on the charging speed. This is crucial for those of us who rely on fast charging or at home or in the varied environments where the charging station might not be conveniently located where we park. The real-world performance of the cable was really impressive. It's versatile, reliable, and really maintains that charging speed effectively even when it's extended. For those of us living in like apartments, single-family homes, or condos where your charging setups can really vary, this extension cable provides the flexibility you need without sacrificing charging efficiency. So let's talk about some pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the flexibility of that cable provides is just a major plus. For it being that thick of a wire, but still being really flexible, I think it's great. You're not going to worry or stress anymore about parking too close to the charging station or worrying if the cable will reach. Keep this in your car and you'll always be good. The build quality was excellent with that high strength TPE, really giving it a durable and flexible feel. It's also packed with those safety features we went over before, making it a reliable choice for long-term use. On the performance side, as you saw, the performance for fast charging was just like plugging into a regular 240, 50 amp outlet using your mobile wall adapter or your mobile connector or your wall adapter. So really happy with that. Another great advantage is that the extension cable isn't specific to a particular wall type. And I don't think this is covered enough. It will work in any situation where you use the Tesla mobile adapter or even at some of the J1772 public charging stations, you could use this too. The flexibility is invaluable if someone is blocking a spot and is kind of finished charging, but you still haven't had the cord's not long enough to reach your car. Moreover, when using the mobile adapter, you get thermal protection at the wall outlet side, which is really great. The mobile adapter has built-in temperature sensors at the plug to measure the temperature will cut off power if the wall plug gets too hot, reducing that risk of fire. That's a significant safety feature. Additionally, this cord extends the right end of your mobile connector. You can buy heavy-duty extension cords that have the specific 110 volt end, but this one extends the correct end. Whether you're dealing with the 515 plug at your mom's house, a 620 circuit at your dad's house, or the 1450 maybe someone else has installed, one of your friend's house, this single extension cable can extend any of those outlets for you without needing 4 different cords. And that's really cool. You just need the different adapters for your mobile adapter, which is just a great feature. A lot of us have those. They came with our Teslas, and they're much easier to pick up than different extension cords for every option. This can also really come in handy at like a hotel, like a destination charger. If someone hasn't moved their car yet, it's full, and you need to pull next to them and use the outlet, this is a great opportunity to do that. As for cons, this is a premium product. So the price point's a little bit on the higher side, but I think it's really one of those cases where you get what you pay for. The fact that it doesn't work with Tesla superchargers could also be a limitation for you, but I don't think that would be a barrier to entry for some of us. This would be a great solution for those people who need a different charging solution and just need that little bit of extra reach at their home, at their apartment, or their condo. This is the one to get. Really, to wrap things up, the EVDANCE Tesla Charging Extension Cable is a fantastic investment for any Tesla owner who needs that extra flexibility, that little extra range in their charging setup. Whether you're dealing with like a tricky parking situation or you just need a little bit extra room, the convenience of extra length is just understated. This cable can do it all. It's safe, reliable, it's built to last. It makes a great addition to your EV accessories. I'm going to wrap it up and keep it in the back of my Tesla whenever I need it. It's going to be there for me. To make this deal even sweeter, EVDANCE has partnered with me to offer a special discount code just for my viewers. Use the code EVDGAMJEFB at checkout, and you'll get 10% off of your adapter purchases. If you're interested in picking one up, I've included a link in the description below for you to check it out at the latest prices and availability. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss one of my product reviews. I really appreciate you guys coming by and just sticking with me through this Tesla journey. It really means a lot. I appreciate you clicking on this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.